Friends, even now also they have still detained 18 students of us. Our students have been detained still even in the police station. Until they are released, we will not move from here, and the protests will further get intensified. We appeal police to kindly send them back over here. With this, I request Raja Vimala, brother of Rohit Vimala, who in the latest interview has explained about the condition that he being a student of MSc in geophysics, geology, and he was working as a project fellow, but then immediately after Rohit's death, his job was taken off, and now he is forced to do a profession. I mean, he will explain about what suffering conditions he is going through after Rohit Vimala's demise.
Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! First of all, I thank each and everyone who came from Pune and ANU and students of Hyderabad University who are supporting our struggle. Okay? So, I just want to start from what happened after my brother's death. So, we have been targeted 3 or 4 times. We have been threatened 3 or 4 times. We have been threatened 3 or 4 times. So some Gundas are looking for us to kill us after 3 days of my brother's death. So we somewhere escaped and we hid in the university for 9 days without showing our faces to outside. So this is the condition of Dalit who raised his voice in India. I just want to tell the government that if how much you suppress us, we will come out that much and we will fight against the government and against the Manowal government and all. So after that we have been called for the inquiry of our caste. So there is a lot of controversy about our caste and they have been calling us for an inquiry in the Guddur district collector office. And first of all they asked about they have insulted like anything to my mother, saying that insulting her character also. So they are saying that so you didn't been with your husband, you have came out of your home for your personal this kind of thing they have been asked to my mother. How shame they are asking to my mother like that. So she raised us up to this level. I'm an MSc student. I have studied in the Pondicherry University and I feel shame on this education system of Indian institutions to give an award to Appa Rao by the Prime Minister of India. I am seriously thinking to return my degree to Pondicherry University. Because of this, if you insult our institutions like this, if you insult our education system like this, we will not tolerate this thing and we will fight back to you. And unless until you didn't give the justice to our brother of Rohit and Yuna Dalis, we will fight till our end, till we death, until our death, we will fight against you. So after that, people has called me for doing some jobs and all. So I just refused because if I go for any job, my mom now getting scared to send me even to outside from the house. Today, after my brother from JNU who missed, who was taken away, till now there is no word about him. So nobody knows where he was. And this was the situation, whoever, whether it is SC, ST, BC or minority, whoever raising their voices in the country, they have been named as anti-Dalits, anti-nationals, I'm sorry. So anti-national, I don't know how, on what basis they are saying we are anti-nationals. We are the students of the country, we are the citizens of this country. You please, you should remember that before Dalit, before Muslim, before SC, ST, BC, we are Indians. You should believe that. You should realize that. So with this, I just want to, I don't want to waste your time. So I request and I thank each and everyone who is supporting us. Even today, we are not allowed inside the campus to see my brother's stupa. So these police are saying that they will arrest me. Let them arrest me and see what the circumstances will go on. So I thank each and every media and police officers. I see even in media and even in police officers, I see my brother Rohit Vimala in every face. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim.
जोहार रोहित वेमुला
एक बात मैं बोलना भूल गया कि जब जेएनयू में बक्सा हमने बनाया था तो तमाम तरह का जो इस देश में अम्बेडकर एक मूवमेंट था वो एक इंस्पिरेशन था ही था, लेकिन एससीयू में जो अम्बेडकर एक मूवमेंट है वो सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन हमारे लिए जेएनयू में था। ये बात मैं बताना भूल गया था।
Hello.
Dear friends, today, in fact, now
Hello.
we have Radhikamma with us. And today, when I went to meet her in the morning, it was a very sad moment, which I don't know whether I have that moral obligation to tell before every one of you or not. But if I don't tell, if I don't reveal it before all of you, I will be the person who will be blamed. Today in the morning when I went there, she was speaking in a very painful manner that after my son's demise, they are now behind me. They want to declare my son Rohit Vemula as OBC. This is the most tragic incident. And I know what humiliation I have undergone being a Dalit, facing discrimination within the household and in the society, and after Rohit Vemula's demise, what has been experienced by me is never experienced by anyone. Even in this state of affairs, the BJP government is persecuting me and is pushing me to a state of resignation. Dear friends, this is what they have done with Rohit Vemula. Podile Apparao, along with BJP, has pushed Rohit Vemula into a state of resignation, where they have compelled him to write that the value of a man has been reduced to his immediate identity. Today, even after his death, when the state government of Telangana TDP in Andhra Pradesh, in combination with Telangana State Police, when they are desperate to declare Rohit Vemula as an OBC, where we have seen how Rohit Vemula has led the torch of Dalit liberation movement even within the university, with his Facebook posts within the society, how he has claimed his own scheduled caste status, asserted his identity, how he wanted these identities to be annihilated. Today, BJP government is reducing his life and his struggle again back to zero by declaring him whether he is a Dalit or an OBC. This is the most shameful part of the story. And today, Radhikamma's words are a reminder that if we don't stand with Radhikamma, we will be responsible for repeating another Rohit Vemula. Because literally she said, they are pushing me towards a state of resignation. Let us not make her push towards that state of resignation. Let us answer this BJP TDP government. Let all those Dalit organizations teach a lesson to TDP government who wants to declare Rohit Vemula as a backward class in order to escape Podile Apparao, Bandaru Dattatreya and all others for SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. But I don't know what is preventing KCR or Telangana government from arresting Apparao, because the complainants are scheduled caste. Rohit Vemula's scheduled caste certificate has not been discarded till date. It is just the politics of these governments that are delaying this justice. Thus, The same Narendra Modi who said, इस देश में रोहित, इस देश की मां ने एक लाल को खोया, has awarded an institutional murderer, Pogule Appa Rao. I think these all are pushing, not just Radhika Vemula, but many amongst us to that state of resignation. But if that state comes, we will push others into that state. But we don't stop our fight. Hence, we request now Radhikamma to speak. Whatever she speaks will translate. और एक माइक कहाँ पे?